How does parole affect social reintegration? Imagine stepping out of prison and trying to find your place in society again. It can be a tough journey, but parole plays a big role in making that transition smoother. When someone is granted parole, they are released from prison before completing their full sentence, but only if they agree to follow certain rules and stay under supervision. This process is part of the judicial system's way of managing post-trial actions and helping offenders re-enter society responsibly. During a parole hearing, a panel reviews the inmate's behavior, efforts to rehabilitate, and plans for life outside prison. They look at how well the person has followed rules, participated in programs, and prepared for life back in the community. The parole board then sets conditions for supervision, which usually include regular meetings with a parole officer, maintaining employment, living in approved locations, and passing drug tests. These rules are designed to keep both the parolee and the community safe. Parole affects social reintegration in several important ways. First, it offers supervised support, with parole officers checking in regularly to ensure compliance and help with challenges. They connect parolees to resources like housing, job training, or counseling, making it easier to rebuild their lives. This supervision acts as a safety net, reducing the chances of returning to old habits or reoffending. Second, parole creates a system of accountability. Parolees know they must follow specific rules, and if they break them, they risk losing their freedom and returning to prison. This encourages responsible behavior and helps them stay on track. Parole officers also monitor progress and can adjust support plans if needed, making sure each person gets the help they need to succeed. Third, before releases, inmates develop detailed plans for their lives after prison. These include where they will live, how they will find work, and what support systems they will use. The parole board reviews these plans to ensure they are realistic, increasing the chances of a stable reintegration. Having a solid plan helps parolees avoid falling back into trouble and builds confidence in their new start. From a legal point of view, parole hearings are formal processes that include protections for the inmate, like the right to legal counsel and input from victims. This fairness helps ensure decisions are made carefully and transparently. It also emphasizes that parole is a privilege, not a right, meaning violations can lead to revocation and return to prison. Overall, parole acts as a bridge between incarceration and full community life. It combines legal oversight with social support, giving offenders a chance to rebuild their lives while protecting public safety. By providing structure, accountability, and resources, parole helps individuals reintegrate into society as responsible, law-abiding citizens.